Hello, digital pioneers! Introducing TouchSuite, merchant and payment processing and POS systems provider. Are you ready to unravel the mysteries of what is a payment gateway? How to use one to process credit card payments? Today, we'll be exploring the complexities and solutions in the realm of CBD payment processing, specifically focusing on subscriptions, memberships, and recurring billing. Stick around as we unravel the crucial aspects and solutions for merchants navigating the regulatory landscape in this industry. Before we embark on this digital exploration, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement fuels our journey. Now, let's dive into the world of payment gateways and credit card processing. Unveiling the role of a payment gateway in transactions. At its core, a payment gateway acts as a digital bridge in online transactions. We'll unravel its role in authorizing and facilitating secure fund transfers, crucial for businesses aiming to expand their online presence. The dynamics of credit and debit card payment processors. One primary function of a payment gateway is connecting with credit and debit card payment processors. We'll explore how these specialized entities ensure the smooth flow of transactions, allowing businesses to securely accept various payment methods. Navigating high-risk payment processing with a payment gateway. Certain industries face unique challenges in online transactions. We'll discuss how a robust high-risk payment processing solution, often facilitated through a payment gateway, is imperative for businesses operating in these sectors. The specialized role of a credit repair payment gateway. Businesses in credit repair services require a tailored approach to payment processing. We'll uncover how a credit repair payment gateway serves as the linchpin, handling transactions securely while meeting the unique needs of the credit repair industry, unlocking the potential of credit card payment services. In the digital era, businesses must offer diverse and secure payment options. We'll delve into how a payment gateway facilitates the integration of various credit card payment services, enhancing the user experience and broadening the customer base. Establishing merchant accounts for seamless operations. To harness the full potential of a payment gateway, businesses need dedicated merchant accounts. We'll explore how these accounts serve as the backbone for transaction authorization, settlement, and reporting, preventing operational inefficiencies. The integration of online credit card processing. In the age of digital convenience, businesses must prioritize online credit card processing. We'll discuss how a payment gateway facilitates this integration, tapping into the vast market of online consumers and enhancing the overall customer experience. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of payment gateways and the world of online transactions. If you found this journey insightful, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell. For businesses seeking top-notch merchant and payment processing solutions, visit TouchSuite's website. Discover cutting-edge POS systems and reliable merchant services. Stay informed, stay secure, and until next time, goodbye.